Well, we are here today in Daly City, California, right next to San Francisco. Let me tell you something about Daly City. It is also a very expensive neighborhood in the Bay Area.
Yes.
And right behind us is a property that is going for well over $1 million.
$1 million listing, baby.
$1 million listing. And there are some things in this property that is quite interesting, especially for a house worth over $1 million.
That's right.
So Jenna, tell us a little bit about this property here behind us.
Okay, yes, this $1 million property it used to be a single family residence. Now it's a 2-unit. We got approved a second kitchen, so that makes it a 2-unit. Property has a nice lot. You could park roughly 4 or 5 cars here on the side. You got 2 cars here. Really great for a rental or a 1031. So why don't we check out inside and see what $1 million gets you out here in San Francisco?
That's right.
Well, we're here inside this home. It needs a remodel. Everything from floors to paint to kitchen to bathrooms. But once you get that done, this property is going to look amazing. Great for a rental. And because it is an investment property, that's what I recommend. Not that you can't live in here as a primary resident or have this as your resident, but this is more for investors. You could pull in roughly around $7,000 a month.
Wow.
If you rent out both units.
Wow.
So,
And what's the mortgage look like on this property?
well, let's just not talk about that. We'll get interest rates. But yeah, I mean, as you can see throughout the video, the kitchen needs remodeling, the bathroom needs remodeling. Again, depending on the type of tenant, how much you're going to charge will depend on the type of finishes that you're going to put in here. Maybe we should go check out the back. We have a very questionable and interesting scenario there.
Wow, let's go. Well, here we are in the backyard, and yes, your eyes do not deceive you. That is a door on the second floor with nothing to walk on. So what do you think about the door on the second floor, Jeff? You've sold a lot of homes, and have you seen something like this before?
Yeah, I have. And it's just something because the prior landlord, before my client bought it, and now we're selling it, is that they took it off and it was legal. There was, the city had no problem with it, but we just took it off and they secured the door, and that was that. And so we decided not to invest any money in it since their tenants were there for many years, and now you could see that they're moving out, and so we're gonna get this thing sold in the next 2 weeks.
Well, great. So if you have a house in California just like this one, and we sell homes from super high end in San Francisco to houses that need a little bit of extra work, we can help you renovate, we can help you paint, make it look nice, landscaping from A to Z. We'll take care of the property so you can cash out your property that looks like this into a luxurious home that will make you a profit of hundreds of thousands of dollars.
No, million.
If not millions. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and comment if you have any questions. We'll see you in the next video.